Bienvenue au 1687 Chemin du Golfe, ici à Mont-Tremblant, sur le magnifique golfe La Bague. Welcome to 1687 Chemin du Golfe, here in Mont-Tremblant. Je m'appelle Jonathan et je suis courtier immobilier. I'm Jonathan and I'm a real estate broker. In this open house, we will tour the exterior of this superb condo and then I'll walk us through the interior. I will do my best to point out all of the elements that make this property exceptional. Follow me. Dans cette porte ouverte, nous allons faire le tour de l'extérieur de ce condo et ensuite l'intérieur. Je vais tenter de vous montrer tous les éléments qui rendent cette propriété exceptionnelle. Suivez-moi. So we begin out here in front of the condo on the roundabout. So as you've seen in the aerial images, hold on, there we go. As you've seen in the aerial images, the property is right at the end of this roundabout. The road does continue this way to some more condos in that direction, but this roundabout here is where there are about a half a dozen, maybe 8 units. These are right here in front of me. There are 3 units that are alike. There are 4 condo units. Each unit has its own parking space right in front of it, and the unit that we'll be looking at here is 1687, so this door right here. So beautiful landscaping that is impeccably well maintained in these condo units. Up some stone steps here, and then to our left the other fourplex, and then to our right 1687. So as I say, really nicely done, manicured, landscaping all around. We'll take a quick look. Donc, comme je disais, le terrassement ici, vraiment impeccable, du pavé uni tout le tour, les pelouses et les jardins sont vraiment impeccablement entretenus, super bien. Belle journée aujourd'hui pour venir filmer. Donc ici, le 1685, donc pas notre unité, et le 1687 ici qui est l'unité en question. Donc on entre ici, une entrée d'environ 5 par 5, entrée en coin, avec un armoire ici assez grand pour les manteaux, les skis, etc. Et ensuite, on emprunte la porte ici pour la pièce principale du condo. Donc très très lumineux, comme vous pouvez voir, il est midi, un mois de juillet. Beaucoup de clarté qui rentre dans la pièce principale. Et on a une sortie ici qui mène sur un petit espace extérieur en pavé uni sous l'arbre ici, donc à l'ombre, juste à côté de la cuisine de la salle à manger, évidemment le barbecue. Tout est inclus dans la vente, donc le condo vient tout équipé comme vous voyez dans cette vidéo. So, nice big living space here. Dining room, living room, kitchen, wood burning fireplace, plenty of light, high ceilings, okay, in this main area here, and open concept with the kitchen here with a little bit of a counter between the two. All of the appliances and furniture are included in the sale. So here, if you will, the master bedroom, the biggest and most spacious of the bedrooms, just down this little hallway. A king size bed here, nice big window, and a closet. And then at the end of this little hallway, the first floor bathroom. So simple bathroom, toilet, sink, and then behind the door here is the shower. And in this closet space right here, washer, superimposed washer dryer. Very functional first floor bathroom. Here you have the first floor. We'll go up to the second floor now. And up here we have 1 bedroom, 2 bedrooms, and a third, and the bathroom story right here. So again, here it's fairly simple bathroom, very nice, very well done. Sink, shower, and a bath, and toilet obviously. And then another bedroom here. This is a double bed. You can easily fit a queen bed in this bedroom. And then we have 2 single beds in this bedroom, a television in here, and of course closet space. So there you have the inside of the condo. Wood floors, carpeted upstairs. Oh, nice, really nice engineered wood floors here on the first floor. Obviously ceramic tile in the kitchen. Appliances are all in good shape. Cabinets are real pine wood cabinets. The kitchen is fully furnished and ready to go. Of course, this property does have the ATQ license, as we've mentioned, and it does have revenue that could easily be increased. The owners have kept a lot of time for themselves here, but easily double and triple the revenue at this property if somebody wanted to more intensely rent it. Donc voilà le tour du 1687 chemin du Golfe à Mont-Tremblant.